Hello, my name is Faisal Khan. Many companies that start in the person to person or P2P transfers always somehow gravitate towards B2B, business to business. And the question is, why do they do that? Why is it that a remittance company, a company or a fintech or a startup that focus its efforts on remittances will eventually gravitate towards B2B? Well, the answer is simple. Cost of customer acquisition is very high. It's not cheap. If you have to acquire directly customers, you'll have to pay a pretty penny for that. And then it's the number of the volume, the value being transferred. It's very small, $500, $1,000 at best, 2,000, 3,000, and the margins are being squeezed because everyone is in the P2P game. In the B2B, a single invoice could be $80,000, $90,000, which could correspond to, I don't know what, 600, 500, 200, 300 transfers of small money transfer operations. So it's the value, the volume of the transaction in the B2B that is really of interest over here. So if you're able to earn 15 basis points or 20 basis points on $1 million a day in B2B transactions versus, let's say, a percent on $30,000 or $40,000 or $100,000 a day, and you have to deal with all the small nuances of all the KYC, etc., and put a lot of pressure on your compliance department, you will eventually sort of throw in the towel and say, you know what, P2P is too difficult to do, cost of acquisition is difficult. I'd rather work with businesses, and businesses offer a much more stable income, a much more predictable income, and higher numbers, higher values. You want to do 10 million, 20 million, 30 million, 40 million a month, and that's what businesses can provide. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe below. If you have a question or a comment, please put it down below and I'll be happy to answer it. Till next time, Faisal Khan signing out.